Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana, and in this video I'm going to cover CAT 2020 Slot 2 set. It's a missing data interpretation, one of the easiest set of CAT. And if you look at the level of difficulty of this set, these are the free marks for you. Set might look lengthy to you while solving it, but actually it's nothing more than addition and subtraction. And these are the kind of set that you should definitely be attempting in the first phase of your DI section. Because there's nothing complex in the statements, and this set is purely addition and subtraction. That's it. No growth concept, no complex calculations, basic addition and subtraction. All you have to do is just interpret the statements properly. That's it. And try to understand the basic structure of the set. Let's have a look at it, what this set is saying. It says that a chain of department store has outlet in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Kolkata. The sales are categorized by its three departments: apparel, electronic, and home decor. So we have 4 stores, 3 departments, and the sales of 18 and 19 are mentioned in this table, and the sum values are missing. So by this point, you should be able to know that to solve the set, I need to find out these missing values. And to find out those missing values, I need to take the help of these statements. If you interpret each of these statements properly and fill this value here, you don't need any extra or spatial knowledge to solve this set, right? Even if you're just starting with the data interpretation, this is a set that you can definitely solve easily. Let's use this information now to solve the set. See that. The first information says the sale amount in the apparel department were the same for Delhi and Kolkata in 2018. So these two values are same. For apparel department, Delhi and Kolkata in 2018 sale is same. So just straight away use this information. The sales amount in apparel departments were the same for Mumbai and Bangalore in 2018. So these two values are also same. Just use this, nothing more, right? Nothing tough. So these sales amount match the sales amount in the apparel department for Delhi in 2019 also. Now that means this value is also Y. The sale amount in the home decor department were the same for Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018. Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018, the values are same. So let's take these two values also as equal to Z. Okay, right. The sum of the sales amount of the 4 electronic department increase by the same amount as the sum of the sales amount of the 4 apparel departments from 18 to 19. Okay. If I look at the electronic department, if I find out the summation here, 78 plus 82 would be 150. Sorry, 78 plus 2, 180, 280, 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 90, 250, 250 plus 80 is 330. So the sale in electronic department in 2018 is 330, right? I'm writing down the total values here. And if I look at 2019, the total is 98 plus 102, 200, 270, 100, 370. You see that increment here is of 40. And as per this statement, it says that the increment here is also 40. Now we'll be using this information later, right? The total sales amount of the 4 home decor department increased by 70 crore from 18 to 19. 18 to 19. You can see that I have the sales of home decor in 2019. 100, 172, 172 plus 80 would be 252. 252 plus 4 is 256. Now I don't know what is the sales in for home decor in 2018, but the increment here is given as 70 crore. So can I say that this value must be 15 minus 7, 8, 186. Only then it can get increased by 70 crore as per this statement here, right? Sorry, this is 100 plus 72, 172 plus 80, 252, 252 plus 4. Yes, this is correct. 252, 170, 252, 252 plus 4 is 306, sorry. This value will be 306, and because the increment is of 70, so can I say that this value is 306, subtract 70 from it, 10 minus 70, this would be 236. That means the total of 2018 sale will be 236 crore. All right. Now, what else we have here? The sale amount in the home decor departments of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by rupees 20 crore. Now you see that the increment here is of 20 crore. So if this is 100, subtract 20, this will be 80. Also the increment here is 20, so this would be 60. Now I can easily find out the value of Z. 80 plus 60 would be 140. 140 and plus 2Z would be equal to 236. Now if I use this information, 140 plus 2Z will be 236. You see that the value of 2Z will be equal to 96 and Z will be 48. Now this value is 48, so I can straight away use this information that the value of Z is 48 crore. Just fill in this information, guys. This would be 48 and this is also 48. Now you see that I have the value, all the values in 2018 and 19 for home decor. I have all the values for electronic also. I just need to find out these values to answer all the question. And for that, I have these two statements. That's just use these two statements and your set is done. The sale amount in the apparel department of Delhi and Bangalore each increased by the same amount in 19 from 18. Delhi and Bangalore. So see that increment of Delhi in apparel department is same as increment in Bangalore in apparel department. So see that the increment here is of y minus x. So this increment will also be y minus x. So this is why if I want to increase it by y minus x, this value will be 2y minus x, right? In 2019, this value will be 2y minus x. And the sale amount in the apparel department of Mumbai and Kolkata also each increased by the same amount. In Kolkata, I have that increment is 54 minus x. So this will also get increased by 54 minus x. So this is y plus 54 minus x, right? Because increment for these two departments is same. All done. So I just need to make some equation now in terms of y and x and I'll get my answer. And there's a point here that I'm yet to use. That the increment, total increment from 18 to 19 is of 40 crore. Now just use this information and that's it, you'll be able to solve the set. Now 18 to 19 increment is 40. Let's see the sale in 18. X plus y, x plus 2y plus x, 2x plus 2y. In 2018, the sale is 2x plus 2y. That is a total sale of 2018. Let's find out the total sale of 2019. Y plus y, 2y, 2y, y plus y, 2y plus y, 3y, 3y plus x. All right, let's write it down completely. Y plus 54 minus x. Y plus 54 minus x. I'm looking at the sale of 2019, guys. 2y minus x plus 54. Yes, plus 2y minus x plus 54. Now this is sale of 2019. This is sale of 2018. If I add 40 to this value, these two values will be same because in the question it is given that the increment is of 40 crore. Now see that 2x plus 2y plus 40 will be equal to y plus 2y, that is 4y, minus x is minus 2x plus 108. All right, so 2x plus 2x is 4x, 2y minus 4y would be minus 2y would be equal to 68. So 2x minus y will be 34 and that's the first equation that you need to make. You see that the question is simple addition and subtraction, nothing more than that. Might look difficult, but it's actually nothing more than addition and subtraction. The sale amount in the apparel department of Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore in 2019 followed an arithmetic progression. So in 2019, Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore. Delhi, its sale is y, Kolkata is 54, Bangalore is 2y minus x. It's making an arithmetic progression, y 54 and 2y minus x. So first value is y, then you have 54 and then you have 2y minus x and it's making an arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression? A series where the difference between the consecutive terms are supposed to be same. That means the difference of 54 and y would be same as difference of 2y minus x minus 54. This would be equal to 2y. Now if I take this on this side, 3y minus x will be equal to 108. Or I can say that, okay, this is 2x, right? I got minus x plus 3y is equal to 108. Now, can I solve these two equations? Yes, I just need to multiply this with 3. This will be 6x minus 3y 102. This get cancelled. 5x will be equal to 8 plus 2, 10, 0. 210. So can I say that x will be 42? Now, if the value of x is 42 and if I put here 2 into 42 is 84, y would be 84 minus 34. 2 into 42, 84, 84 minus 34. 4 minus 4, 0. Y will be equal to 50, right? X is 42, y is 50. Now sorry, just use this information, x 42, y 50, and you get all the values. What is x is 42 and y is 50? Let's use it. X is 42 here. So this value will be 42. This is 50. This is also 50. Now 50 minus 42 would be 8. 8 plus 54 would be 62. Now this value will be equal to 62, guys, right? This is 50. 2 into y, 150. 100 minus 42 would be equal to 58. Now this value will be 58, right? X is 42. Now you have all the values and you can answer all the questions. Let's have a look at all these questions also. You see, the question was not difficult, right? It was quite easy. In home decor department of which cities were the sale amounts the highest in 2018 and 19? In home departments of which cities were the sale amount the highest in 18 and 19? 18 में कितना highest है और 19 में क्या highest है? 18 में you see that 80, 48, 60, 48. The highest is 80 and that is in Delhi. If you look at 19, this is 100, this is 72, this is 80, 57. So you see that in home decor, 18 and 19, Delhi is highest in both years. So answer would be Delhi and Delhi. In 18 also, the Delhi is having the highest value. 19 also, Delhi is having the highest value. First option will be the correct answer. What was the increase in the sale amount in crore rupees in the apparel department of Mumbai from 18 to 19? Mumbai apparel department 18 to 19. Mumbai apparel department 18 to 19 is 15 to 62. That is increment of 12 crore. So the answer would be first option. Among all the 12 departments, that means the 3 departments in each of the 4 cities, what was a maximum percentage increase in the sale amount from 18 to 19? Okay, I'm supposed to find out the maximum increment is happening in which, what is the maximum percentage increments? The total percentage increment from 18 to 19. So look at it, guys. Now, what I need is, I need to do the total here, right? 42, 78 and 80. All right, let's create some space here. From 18 to 19, right? In all the 4 departments, in all of 12 departments, right? In all the 4 cities. Let's read the question again. Just 1 minute. All right, guys. Among all the 12 departments, that means the 3 departments in each of the 4 cities. 3 departments in each of the 4 cities. What was the maximum percentage increase in sales amount among all the 12 departments? Okay. So where is the maximum what is the maximum increment from 18 to 19? If you look at this whole table, guys, if you look at this whole table, right? I'm supposed to tell what is the highest percentage increment in all these 12 departments in across the 4 cities, right? So do I need to find out all these increments here? No, that will be quite lengthy. Can you take a value here? You see that? You just take any random value here. I can clearly see that 48 to 72, the increment here is 50%. Now I just need to see, do I have an increment which is more than 50%? This is definitely not more. This is definitely not 50. This is also less than 50. This is also less than 50. This is less than 50. Less than 50. This is a decrement. This is less than 50. 50 to 58 is definitely not 50% here. This is only 20, increment of 20 on 60, which is 33.33%. I just need to see, is there any value which is more than 50? 48 to make it 50, I need a 72 here, so it's not. 80 में 50 का increment करना था, 120 होना चाहिए. So there's no other value which is more than 50%. So the highest increment would be 50%. That is option number 2 will be the correct answer of the question. What was the total sale amount in crore rupees in 2019 for the chain of department stores? what was the total sale amount in crore rupees in 2019 for the chain of departments. So I'm supposed to find out total sale of 2019. I just need to add these values, right? Just add the value and you'll get your answer. That's it. It's simple addition, nothing more than that. So this was a set of CAT 2020 slot 2, and you can say it's very, very easy. Guys, this is my Telegram group, Target Cat with Smear, which you can join. The link is given in the description part of the video. You will get access to all of my special classes and videos that I have uploaded on this channel. Subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it with all of your friends. Also subscribe to the channel and please like it and share it with all of your friends. Now, I'm coming up with this course on 500 must-do quant question. I'm starting this course on 1st of July. This is my referral code for the Plus subscription. If you use my referral code for the Plus subscription, I'll be giving you a mentorship throughout the exam preparation. Whatever help you need for exam preparation, I'll be there to help you, whether it's about strategy on completion of syllabus. I'll help in completing the syllabus of quant, data interpretation and logical reasoning, as well as will guide you for your VARC section also. And also I'm running a 250 must do DILR set before CAT. I'm taking a session every day at 4 p.m. on daily basis. You can join this course. These are completely free special classes. I have already taken 79 episodes till now. So today I'll be taking the episode number 80th. You can join this. LRDI Smear Live is my referral code. The links of the compiled link of all these episodes are also available in my Telegram group, which I told you. There's a bumper offer going on for CAT 2020 2021 students. If you go for a 6-month subscription now, you'll get 1 extra month subscription for exam preparation of ZAT, SNAP, IFT. These are the exams which happen 1 month after CAT. So there will be an extension of 1 month of subscription. And in addition to that, you can use my referral code LRDI Smear Live. LRDI Smear Live will give you a 10% off on Plus subscription. Thank you so much for joining the session, watching this video. Please share it and also subscribe to the channel, guys. There are 500 plus videos that I have already uploaded on this channel. Thank you.